Tangent plane of the central conoid at point x1, y1, z1. The statement to find the condition or find the condition of plane Lx plus My plus Nz may touch the central conoid. Ax square plus by square plus cz square equals to 1. Tangent plane at point x1, y1, z1. Ax x1 of conicoid 1, by y1, cz z1 equals to 1, and plane, given plane Lx plus My and z equals to p. Comparing coefficients Ax 1 upon L, by 1 upon m, c z1 upon n equals to 1 upon p. x1 equals to L upon ap, y1 equals to m upon bp, z1 equals to n upon cp. Conicoid 1 passes through point x1, y1, z1. Ax1 square by1 square plus cz1 square equals to 1. Putting these values of x1, y1, z1 in this conicoid, L upon ap, b m upon bp, c n upon cp, or L square upon a, m square upon b, n square upon c equals to p square. That is the condition when plane Lx plus My plus Nz equals to p may touch the central conoid. That's all. Find the equation of normal to the central conoid Ax square plus by square plus cz square equals to 1. At point alpha, beta, gamma. Solution: conicoid Ax square plus by square plus cz square equals to 1. Tangent of the conicoid, equation of tangent at alpha, beta, gamma of conicoid 1, A alpha x, B beta y, C gamma z equals to 1, 2. Equation of normal through alpha, beta, gamma and perpendicular to plane 2. X minus alpha upon A alpha, y minus beta upon B beta, z minus gamma upon C gamma. perpendicular distance of plane 2 from origin. P equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 1 upon root A alpha square B beta square C gamma square, or we can write AP alpha square BP beta square CP gamma square equals to 1, where AP alpha BP beta CP gamma are actual direction cosines of normal 3. Then the equation of normal x minus alpha upon AP alpha, y minus beta upon BP beta, z minus gamma upon CP gamma. That is the required solution, required equation of the normal to the central conoid. I repeat again the question: to find the equation of normal to the central conoid at point alpha beta gamma, that is the equation of conoid, central conoid. Equation of tangent plane of the central conoid at point alpha beta gamma is that is to equation of normal through point alpha beta gamma and perpendicular to the plane 2. Direction ratio A alpha B beta C gamma, x minus alpha upon A alpha equals to y minus beta upon B beta, z minus gamma upon C gamma. That is in which A alpha B beta C gamma are the direction ratios of this normal, and now P equals to perpendicular distance of plane 2 from origin is, and we can write this and that is direction cosines AP alpha BP beta CP gamma, L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1, and actual direction cosine of the normal 2 is AP alpha BP beta CP gamma. Then the equation of normal is x minus alpha upon AP alpha, y minus beta upon BP beta, z minus gamma upon CP gamma. That is the equation of normal to the central conoid. That's all.